Hey guys, had a really good bash for a few minutes here. Was just getting into it and had to call it quits. There's no breakages. Just had a screw come loose on the turnbuckle. Let's see if we can see it here. Yeah, turnbuckle. Just lost a screw there. Big deal. Should have Loctited it when I was putting stuff back together. Nothing broke. So obviously can't keep running like that, but had a good little bash. Chassis holding up good. Love the CRCU extended rear chassis skid plate there. Keeping everything straight with the chassis. No complaints with that. Love it. And we are running stock electronics still. Just with a, I think I got a 15 tooth pinion on the motor. And a dual motor fan running here. 1000, 1000, 1004, 1000. I can keep my finger on the rear of the can for about a good 4 seconds before I feel it's going to pretty much start to blister up or something. So that's doable. It's keeping the motor cool because it's over triple digits here. Super hot, but just had to call it quits. But just having a good bash. So next time we'll return with Loctite. Thanks for watching, guys.